Hey, what's up, students? This is an application from a simulation that is going to help you understand a little bit better the concept of static electricity. So what I want you to do is just play around with the app and learn from it. I'm going to show you one example of how to use each app real quick. So the balloon, I want you to drag the balloon, rub it on the chart, and I want you to pay attention. Look at how the electrons from the chart are transmitting to the balloon. So the more you rub, you are freeing up the electrons until there is no more electrons on the balloon. So now all you have is a positive charge. So that means that the balloon is going to be attracted to the chart. It's like a magnet. Then it works like a magnet. Now, look at this wall right here. What do you think is going to happen if I pull the balloon close to the wall? Well, all the negative, the electrons, are going to be pushed back, right? Because the same charge kind of repel each other. Look at that. And that's what happens to the water, and that's what happens to your hair when you, well, this happens to your hair, the positive and negative, when you rub a balloon in your head. All right. Now look at this John Travolta. So John is gonna rub his feet on the carpet, and he's gonna charge himself, and then he's gonna transmit that charge to the. Let me move the hands away from here. Okay, let's do that. He's charging himself by friction, right? He's getting all the electrons from the carpet. Now he's fully charged, just waiting for somebody to get close. In this case, it's gonna be the door. So this happens, and there you go. So go ahead and play around with the app. It's kind of really cool. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.